Guys, there is one thing I really dislike about most portable fans. On a normal warm day they can feel nice, but when it is genuinely roasting outside, a lot of them just push warm air into your face. It feels like standing in front of a tiny hairdryer. Luckily, I found a solution. So today, I'll show you how you can actually stay comfortable, even on those brutally hot days. I'm Daniel, and on this channel, I test gadgets and devices to give you a clear picture of what they're really like before you buy. In this video, I'm going to test the Aecooly PM01S. We'll see how it performs outdoors in real heat, run some airflow checks, and find out whether the battery life is good enough. I'll also share my noise impressions and show you some practical use cases. And guys, before we dive into this one, all the useful links and exclusive discounts are waiting for you in the description below. Let's open it up. Alright folks, let's start with the main feature, the mist cooling. First, here is the fan running on airflow only, and right away, you can tell this is stronger than a basic mini fan. Aecooly lists up to 75,000 revolutions per minute, 100 speed levels, and a maximum wind speed of 25 meters per second. Yes, I know that RPM is just a number, but the important thing is that the airflow feels powerful and focused. And now, guys, let's activate the mist. It is fine and light. It does not feel like someone spraying your face with a water bottle. The feature creates a cool vapor effect, and when the airflow pushes that mist forward, you feel the difference on your skin immediately. Now, my friends, let's move from the test into normal summer life. This is the kind of fan that comes in handy when the heat becomes really annoying. You can use it during hiking, camping, or even while commuting. It's also great for waiting in line or watching outdoor sports. PM01S will help you stay cool on park days and travel too, or while simply sitting on a patio when the air feels heavy. From a practical user angle, the device gives you targeted personal cooling. For example, you can aim it at your face, neck, or upper body. It is strongest outdoors, where noise matters less and a stronger blast of cool mist can actually help. Folks, the limitation is that it is still personal cooling, not a space one. It is a bit larger than a basic pocket fan. It needs water, and misting may not suit every indoor or crowded public setting. But for hot summer outings, it could make the experience more manageable. Guys, before we continue, if you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated on all my future unboxings and reviews. Thanks! Alright, my friends, in your hand, the PM01S feels more substantial than a basic budget mini fan. The materials feel premium and pleasant to hold. For example, I really like the stylish aluminum alloy body. The most important design details are all about usability, a secure grip, easy controls, and a readable display. There are clear speed indicators, and access to the water tank is pretty simple. Guys, with a misting fan, easy refilling really matters. If adding water is annoying or complicated, most people simply won't use the cooling mode often. Maintenance also matters more here than with a regular fan. You're dealing with water, outdoor use, and a misting outlet that needs to stay clean. The included cleaning brush is a practical extra, because if the mist system gets blocked or messy, the main feature becomes much less useful. Okay folks, let's get into the practical pros and cons. The PM01S has a 7000 mAh battery and is rated for up to 10 hours on low speed. As always, up to usually means ideal conditions and lower power settings. If you use higher airflow and mist cooling heavily, you should expect less runtime. That is normal for this type of product. The airflow range is a major advantage. At lower speeds, it is more comfortable for casual use. At higher speeds, it becomes much more powerful, but also louder. Aecooly lists the low-speed noise level at up to 65 decibels, so this is not something I would run at full power in a quiet library or shared office. The main pros are strong airflow, mist cooling, and a large battery. Then you get USB-C charging, clear controls, and a cooling effect that can be demonstrated visually. Guys, the cons are also worth mentioning. The mist tank needs refilling. The fan will be louder at higher speeds. It is not the smallest or lightest portable fan, and like any misting device, it needs occasional cleaning to keep it working properly. So let's wrap this up, friends. If you spend time outdoors, commute in hot weather, play or watch sports, the PM01S makes a lot more sense. The biggest advantage is that it doesn't rely on airflow alone. The mist cooling gives it a real edge when regular portable fans start feeling like they're just blowing warm air. Overall, folks, the PM01S is not just another cute summer gadget, it's a more serious portable cooling tool for people who want a summer setup that actually feels ready for the heat. If that sounds like you, check it out. And once you decide to add it to your cart, don't forget to use my discount code TECHUNBOXING. It's available until August 31st, and it makes the tool even more affordable. Remember to check the links in the description for additional information and discounts. If you found this review helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and see you next time!